Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ruby here. I just want to say thank you so much again for stopping by my channel, and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe to the channel. So today you guys, I am going to show you a simple natural way to apply foundation to your face. So now I have the Fit Me Here Matte Poreless Foundation, normal to oily skin. So it's 1 fluid ounces, and I think they changed the bottle of these because these are more smaller than the other one that they had before. So you need the foundation and a brush here. So I am going to apply some of this foundation on my face. What I'm going to show you a simple way to get a really natural looking foundation on your skin. So I'm going to pour some of the foundation in my hand here. So this is the amount that I'm pouring in my hand, and I'm going to use the brush, and I'm just going to make sure that I blend the foundation out properly in my hand. I'm just going to apply it to the face. So if you're looking for a light foundation, all you have to do, and you don't want a very full coverage or a thick coverage, you just use this. The thing with foundation is you have some foundation that are full coverage and you have some that are very light foundation. As for me, I use them both. So I'm still have some in my hand and I'm applying it to my face. This is also one of my favorite drugstore foundation, like I'm using here. So I am also going to apply another part of the foundation, and if you think that the foundation is too thick, you just have to just add a little bit of face oil, which I am going to do, and I'm going to use this one here that I have, just a 1 drop of it. And then if you know that, like, you know, sometimes you apply foundation and it do cakey on your face, so I'm going to do it like this and in the middle of my hand, and I'm going to just apply it to the face, and you can see how natural this look. Very simple, very easy, very natural, and leave your face feeling good. You don't feel like you have on a lot of foundation or cakey on your face. So this is something that you can do, apply to your regimen if you don't want to. Sometimes we do apply foundation to the face, or we apply a lot and then it get cakey and stuff. So this is what I am doing so that it doesn't, and you can see how. So I don't need to apply any. The oil, if the oil of the foundation, if your foundation is too thick and you use the oil, it does make your face look really different. If you want to here, and this is from CoverGirl Clean, I'm just gonna apply a small amount here, and I'm not gonna put it up here, I'm just gonna put it down here, just a small amount here, right here, and just a small amount I'm going to just apply here. Then I'm gonna use the brush, same brush, and I'm just gonna blend it out so that the concealer do not crease under the eye. And if you do want to apply a powder, you can do apply a powder to the face. So this is simple natural foundation tutorial. If you don't want to apply powder, you don't have to. But if you choose to apply powder, I am going to just apply a little bit of powder also to make the look. And I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay powder. This is it, you guys. I love this powder. And I'm just using the same brush and I'm tapping it on my face. Do not swipe your powder, just tap your powder. in the face. So this is very, very simple, you guys. So this is the final look of the foundation. You can see I don't have on a lot, small amount. And the first one I used, I didn't add any oil to it, but the second time I use it, I add a little bit of oil so it can spread properly over the face, so that when you add the oil, your face don't get really, really too dry, or your under eye doesn't really left with a lot of crease. And if you can see, this is how it is. I just want to say thank you so much again for watching. God bless you, and I will see you soon. Ciao.